So it's just a really great choice. And at the end of the day, it comes down to ease for the clients, peace of mind, and simplicity. So they have contact with us at all times.
I need to talk to my doctor. I think I need to have some kind of chip system and Wi-Fi built into me so my doctor can monitor my heart and brain activity and so forth. Um, Along those lines, it's important to know what's going on with our blood sugar and our blood pressure and everything else. And same with the vitals of the HVAC system.